Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader in your laptop or your Windows PC. For you to access any PDF document or file, you need to have Adobe Acrobat Reader installed in your PC. So I'll be guiding you on how you can get this direct from the Adobe website, all for free without any subscription. Of course, if you wish to subscribe for their premium version, you can still do that, but the one I will show you has all it takes for you to navigate in your PDF document. So let's get started. To do that, simply open your browser. For me, I'm using my Google Chrome browser. You go ahead and type google.com, and on the search area you type Adobe Reader, or you can type Adobe Acrobat Reader. Now this is the search result that appears. Just simply click on this first one, Acrobat Reader. Now it brings you up to this particular interface. You can just simply click on Download Now. And once you click on this download now, you'll be required either to include this in your download, of which it is left for you to accept it or not. For me, I don't wish to install this Adobe Express Photo. I don't need it. I don't need this this particular one. So I simply go ahead and click on Download Acrobat Reader. Now I will just wait for it to simply get started. You can see it from this very end that it has finished downloading. Now I simply click on this and I wait for it to begin to install. You can see it's actually installing in my PC. This will not take very much time. It is just give it a little time, maybe a minute or two, depending on the speed of your network. You can see that mine has started installing, and I just give it that time to finish installing. So let's just wait for it. Well, this has finished installing in our system, so you can just simply click on finish. And with this now, you can make it a default file or software or an app to access any PDF document. Simply click on this OK, and it is done installing. With this, you have all the necessary features that you can use with your Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you wish to go for premium versions and all of that, maybe you wish to edit images, text, and all of this stuff that they have here, is all left for you. But I don't need that. I'm okay with this. This is free and it gives me everything that I need, so I can just work with this. If I wish to access any file, I can just simply click on it. You can see this is PDF file and I'm enjoying it. So this is just how you can download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader in your PC or your laptop. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.